Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel Grammar with Manju ma'am. Today we are diving into some powerful tips to help you stay self-motivated while learning the English language. Whether you are a beginner or you want to polish your skills, these strategies will certainly help you a lot. So without any further delay, let's get into the video. The first point is be an inquisitive learner. That is very important. Curiosity is your best friend. When it comes to learn the other language, then you have to be curious about each and everything, like knowing some new words, enhancing your knowledge about any topic, trying to speak out loud about those things, whatever you have, whatever knowledge you have. Suppose you talk about your watch, talk about why you are interested to learn this language. What will happen? Initially, you will just make mistakes. Somewhere grammatical errors will take place. Somewhere you will not have a fluency. You will speak in broken English. But when you are curious, you will start your journey with broken English. Suppose if you are curious to know about a movie, to know about actors, to know about cricketers, do you need anyone's help? No, you just keep the TV on and you get to know everything. You have so many things accessible these days, so many platforms, so many applications with which you can get great help. It's all about curiosity, the ignition to learn, the burning desire to gain this language. That is very important. So always be curious to enhance your language. Okay, so curiosity is important. Now let's come to the second point. And that is very valid point because we are human beings. We always procrastinate. So my second point is stop procrastination. We very easily tend to ignore things, like we take resolution, we plan to do something. For a few days, we do too. But later on, we start gradually like ignoring or procrastinating and leave it today. Maybe tomorrow I'll be doing, or day after tomorrow I'll be doing. Today, some guests have arrived. So it's fine if I don't do it. But no, you have to stop this habit. As we eat every day, we sleep every day, we do all the things in which we are interested. In the same way, you don't have to procrastinate about your strategies, about your plannings. Like there are 4 pillars of learning the language. LSRW: listening, speaking, reading, and writing. If you have planned or if you have scheduled maybe 10 minutes you will afford for all these 4 pillars. So you have to have 40 minutes. And these 40 minutes planning, you have to do it. You can't say that today it's okay, I didn't get. Out of 24 hours, 40 minutes you can certainly spend for yourself, for your passion. So very important not to procrastinate. Set specific and small goals for you, but stick to it. Okay? It's not important that think of practicing for 4 to 5 hours every day. No, it's not necessary. But keep a small goal which is feasible for you, which you think that you can do it. But very important is that you do it, must follow it. Okay? Now, the third valid point is no cribbing for a partner. Because most of you always tell me that I don't have anybody with whom I can practice. So how is it possible? But it is possible. Start self-talking. Self-help is the best help. You all know it. So first, what you can speak in Hindi, try to speak in English. Okay, don't afraid of making mistakes. Mistakes are the steps of learning. We make mistakes and we learn from our mistakes. Okay, so what is very important? That don't think that I don't have anybody with whom I can speak. You are your best friend. You are your best company. So love your own company. Think about anything and speak that topic aloud. When you speak out loud, then you have the clarity of that language. Every word's throw is somewhere very clear. And clarity is important, whether you are saying learn or you are saying learned, learn or learned, come or came. So be sure that what you are going to speak, that should be clear. And I think you can judge yourself, you can assess yourself better than anybody else. If I go wrong, I catch my fault. So if you will go wrong, you will certainly catch your fault, your mistake, and you can just correct it. You can rectify that. So learn to help yourself first. Okay? Don't crave for the partner and your friend that he is not speaking or she is not speaking. You are looking for somebody with whom you can speak. Some of you say that I joined some paid applications. There also people make fun of me. So what is the remedy? If you get some partner, if you have some partner, that's very beneficial, undoubtedly. But you cannot solely rely on partner. That will hinder your improvement. That will hinder your progress. So it's important that you start alone first. Your journey, you can make out. Okay? You can record yourself. You can speak in front of the mirror to see your expression, to see your body language, and to see the clarity, to hear the clarity of your words. You can record it. That will help you a lot. So yes, embrace this journey independently. If you have partners, well and good. If you don't have partners to speak with, enjoy the journey alone in the beginning. And later on, you will have ample of partners, those who will be interested to speak with you. Then comes the next point. Immerse yourself in English. Now, how to immerse ourselves in English? You need to surround yourself with this language. If you watch movie, if you watch serials, if you watch something, make sure that it's in English. Surround yourself with English movies, books, podcasts, serials. Comedy serials are very much interesting. I love to watch comedy serials. So you can even watch and you can learn so many things. So this doesn't only enhance your listening skills, but also helps you pick new words and new expressions. So always try to immerse yourself with English language. And in order to become fluent, it's very important to set realistic goals. What is important? Set realistic goals. When I say realistic goals, means which is possible for you. Everything is not possible for everybody. For you, some other criteria may be fine for you. For me, something other suits. Okay, so you have to set realistic goals, that how much time you can afford for reading, writing, thinking, speaking, watching TV. Okay, and then make it possible on a regular basis. Do it daily. Don't fail in doing it. That is important. And last but not the least, celebrate each small wins. Learning the language is a marathon, and you need to celebrate each single step. If one day you are able to fulfill all your goals, then certainly you enjoy, you celebrate, you share with your family members that, yes, today I could do it. Then second day, that would be a motivation for you that yes, today also I have to do it. And when you learn even 2, 3 words every day, 2, 3 new structures every day, 2, 3 new phrases, idioms, and expressions every day, please celebrate and enjoy. Usually people say that, ma'am, I've been learning for past 1 year and I don't find any progress in me. You cannot find, but it cannot happen that you have been putting in effort for so long and you won't progress. You will. But yeah, it may happen that you think that what you desired within 1 year, that you haven't achieved. No problem. It's a long journey. You have started. It means the first step already you have taken. And now you have to continue doing it without failing a single day. So this is the mool mantra of learning this language. Okay, so I hope you understood all these small steps which you need to do it regularly. I know for some it is arduous, it is very difficult, but where there is grit, then no one can stop you. So keep your passion always alive and focus on each single mistake. If you are making mistakes, that don't feel ashamed of it. Make it a point that don't keep on repeating the same mistake every time. That is important. And recently, I told you that you can get the help from any group if you have like WhatsApp group or maybe Skype group, and some of you have started practicing. So without spending money also, you can learn. Contents you are getting on YouTube, that's marvelous. That's very helpful. You can just watch, and after watching, you can do the shadowing. When you do shadowing, you don't have to think of the structure of the sentence. You don't have to think of grammatical errors. Rather, you are simply imitating somebody. So try to listen to someone, repeat after that person after pausing that video. And then alone also, you can repeat those lines if you can remember. And gradually you will see that you are improving and you are finding it just marvelous. With this, I want to just conclude this video, but I wish that all of you try to focus on each point and do it on daily basis. Become the best version of yourself. Happy learning to all of you. If you feel that this video is going to help somebody, try to share it with your friends or anybody who is really passionate learning this language. Thank you so much. Happy learning. Bye-bye.